side. Keep it right in front of you at your eye level.
So drone soccer is an exciting new sport that we're bringing to the Sioux Falls School District. It is drones that fly within an arena and try to score by going through a hoop. And two teams try to defend and block, and one is the striker that can score. It's an exciting new adventure in aviation and technology and all of the good STEM learning to get kids engaged and interested and in a really fun way where they can play and compete. This week we invited middle schoolers from Ben Rifle, Whittier, and Patrick Henry. Those are the schools that will have drone soccer teams this coming school year, and so those students were invited to participate in this camp and get a head start. So we had 4 days of camp, and the first day they started with loose pieces and a lot of instructions. They built these drones entirely from all of their component parts, and so about a day and a half was all building just to get it together. And then the second day we worked on the computer of how to pair it and calibrate and get all the settings correct between the controller and the drone. And then after that, in the third and fourth day, we've been learning how to fly and then finding all the problems for why they weren't flying, troubleshooting, and kind of going back to the mechanics and the electronics and seeing where the situation might be. And today I think everyone was able to get them up and fly around a bit.
I have flown some drones, and I thought it would be interesting to try it out and see what's up. We had some ups and downs, but we figured it out, and now we're just having fun and flying drones around. It's really rewarding, and it feels so good just to fly and have fun with my friends. I've always dreamed of piloting something, like RC cars and flying. So I guess drones was something to get me into that headspace and actually experience and do that.
The Community Learning Center has been looking at more STEM involvement and kind of those exciting attractional programs that get kids really interested in staying after school and learning new things, trying out some things they haven't experienced before. So we found funding from the Community Foundation to get all of this equipment to start up the drone soccer program, and with that we're able to offer this really unique activity for students in Sioux Falls. Well, the camp filled immediately, so parents and students were obviously interested in getting in on this, so that is exciting for us. And the students, you know what, in a couple spots, they were discouraged because it's hard to build these tiny components, but I was really proud of them because they stuck with it. They worked through those hard parts. They tried it again. Every single kid showed up every single day ready to learn and ready to try, and now they're seeing all of that effort pay off as they are able to get their drones in the air and fly around.
Yeah, I'd probably try out for the team and see, do some real matches and stuff. It's an awesome experience, and if you are really into drones or techie stuff, I would recommend it. And the sport is really, really cool, and yeah, it's just team sport. You meet new people.